Hola, hola, llegando acá a la entrada de la Cascada de los Vientos. Uno deja el auto ahí en el, bueno, donde puede, cerquita del puente, y empieza a subir por acá. Voy a dar vuelta a la cámara para mostrarle.
You know just what you do to me. Play my emotions like a pair of puppet strings. Did it ever occur to you my heart's more than a toy? Please go easy on me, babe. Send message after message, forward my calls. Next day you hit me back like nothing happened at all. What about all the things you used to say to me? This ain't the way it's supposed to be, and you know.
Y llegando a este cruce, antes por ahí había una escalerita de madera, y ahora hay que pasar por allá, y la verdad que no hay ningún problema, es fácil, con cuidado nomás y se pasa.
What I won't do. Oh, you got me chasing waterfall. Oh, you got me chasing waterfall. All of the times I've been there, times I came through, I'd meet you anywhere if it brought me closer to you. Distance is killing me, you make it so hard. Won't you let me love you, babe? Used to be optimistic, these days I just don't know. Pick a fence in the valley, I hope it's losing its hold. You know them other girls will love you like I do. Can't afford to give up on you, and you know. That way, no, I've been